This is a simple and old Amish recipe. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen as I make a delicious Amish sauerkraut salad. This Amish sauerkraut salad has all your taste buds could want and more. Great combination of salty and sour from the sauerkraut and vinegar, the sweetness from the sugar, apple, and bell peppers, and the heat from the onion and jalapeno. The sauerkraut salad has wonderful fine salad texture and has lots of flavors with every bite. The salad dressing is real simple with an apple cider vinegar and sugar combination. Just mixing that well and setting to the side. In a large bowl I have my drained sauerkraut. I'm adding in some finely diced onion, green bell peppers, mixed color bell peppers, a seeded jalapeno, celery, and some finely chopped Honeycrisp apple. All of these will add lots of color, flavor, and texture. Pouring over the salad dressing and giving it another good mix. I'm refrigerating for at least 2 to 4 hours before serving. The longer, the better. This Amish sauerkraut salad is so easy to make, and you can use the veggies that you like or have on hand. This sauerkraut salad is great for picnics and get-togethers. It is an easy and delicious side dish to any sandwich or meal. It is a definite crowd pleaser. I hope you give this simple and delicious Amish sauerkraut salad a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!